Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for FTSE 100 and Germany 40. This analysis we are going to find out how to trade FTSE 100 and Germany 40 in next week, what to expect, where to enter, where should be our take profits and how to make money next week. Everything I am going to tell you. First we'll analyze the indices with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. At the end of every analysis for one index, I am going to give you the trading level, so do watch till the end. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily analysis also for FTSE 100 and Germany 40 along with global markets and commodities including gold, silver, crude oil and natural gas, and indices including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Nifty along with Germany 40 and UK 100. So do watch that also. Press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest analysis. Let's start the day with FTSE 100 first. Now these are the daily charts for FTSE 100, and FTSE 100 interestingly closed the week above 7500 levels, which is a strong resistance level. Also look at this, it appears, see, whenever FTSE 100 consolidates like this, it always gives a breakout. Now it is trying to consolidate here, and probably next week if you see it trading above 7540, you should take a long entry. You should go long on FTSE 100. This time it may try to hit 7650 levels also. At the same time, if you see it trading below 7400, yes, that is a time that is going to be a single red candle which might take it towards 7200 again. So maybe couple of red candles and it will again come down to 7200. So yes, in between this zone between 7400 and 7550, I think we have to be a little bit cautious. Also look at this on the daily charts, you will find, see, the support here at 7440 is very much important. With this as support, these last two candles were consolidating with lower highs and the flat bottom, and the last trading session gave a breakout, so possibly also left a wick out there. So possibly now if it opens flat, tries to rise, one can remain long on FTSE 100. It is going to give you a strong breakout. So this is one observation. At the same time, if you see it trading below, now how low, if you see it trading below 7440, yes, one can go short for 7400 at least, and below that definitely it will break sharply. But this is just on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly analysis, you will find that, see, the bulls are there. However, in the last week it is trying to squeeze it out. See, it is a green candle, fairly green candle, but the body size is so small that it is rather the bulls are not very much in control last week despite a green candle. However, the movement was not so big, indicating that possibly the bulls either have lost the bullishness out there, or it may try to give you the similar size of green candle here. So with the support at 7440 next week, if you see it trading above 7440 and continues to remain bullish, possibly it may try to give you sharp green candle which might be taking it beyond 7600, and in fact this time it can give you a move which might be of 200 points, and that might take it in fact towards 7700 and 7750 levels. So I'll be watchful of that, be cautious, and any drop below 7440 should be a good indication. Now coming back to the monthly charts here, on the monthly candle you can find, see, previously the pivot here is right now at 7440, higher highs it is seen, and this time this candle has in fact broken this on the monthly charts, went far below, closed all the shorts out there, in fact broken below this support zone at 7000 levels. I told in my monthly analysis also, this there is a strong support at 6800. See how many candles, and exactly with the support at 76800 it bounced back. Now it is trading above the pivot. So what could be the next level? See, higher highs if it tries to achieve, it may try to hit 7700 and 7750. In between this it may try to close. So for next week, if you see it trading above 7550, one can remain long on FTSE 100, and definitely it is going to give you almost 100 points of move minimum, and then it may try to go well beyond 7750, where it is like almost capturing 150 and 200 points of move. So this week may probably give you a strong bullish candle if it tries to remain above these levels. However, Another possibility, if it drops below 7440, then it will come back till here towards 7350, where it will try to close in red, and the next monthly candle will also be red. So I'll be watchful of that. If it breaks 7440, then yes, it is going to come back towards 7400, and breaking 7400, another almost 50 points you will get. At least it might come back till towards 7320, 7340 level. So see, either ways you are going to get almost 150 points of move on for FTSE100 this time. If it breaks 7550, probably it may give you 100 points. If it breaks 7440, it is going to give you 100 points. So this is what we can see on both weekly, daily and monthly charts. Now let's come back to the indicators. What does the indicators are indicating here? And if you look at the daily charts, the indicators on the daily charts, see FTSE100 right now trading above the 20, 50, 100 moving. This is the 20 period simple and exponential moving average. This is the 100 period simple moving average. And now the support at 7400 and 7350 is very much strong. So if it breaks below this, definitely it is going to give a sharper fall. So yes, the observation here remains the same, and we have got our support levels intact. It is bullish on the directional movement, but it is overbought on the stochastic part, and it is consistently overbought here. See, it is enter into extreme overbought zones, try to cool down a bit, but still again may try to reverse. So I'll be watchful of that. It can sustain overbought levels. And MACD here is still in a buy zone, though the candles are flat, indicating the bulls are not trying to, the divergence on the lines are not very much indicating the bulls are not very much in control there. And yes, a break or below 7440 will also lead to a strong fall down for almost 120 points. RSI here not giving any indication, and it is at comfort zone. So considering this, now let me give you the trading strategy for the next week, and where to enter, where to exit, everything I'm going to tell you. So now let's have a look at the level. First, let's talk about, if you see it trading above 7545 here any point of time next week, yes, you can go long at these levels. You should close your shorts, enter a long position here, and we might be looking forward to a stronger move towards 7580, 7600, then the next resistance at 7650, and the next at 7700. So it can rise till 7700, 7750 and 7780. If it continues to rise, it is going to give you a strong green candle. Mark my words, if it continues to rise, it is going to give you a strong green candle. And that is why I am saying go long above 7550 levels. At the same time, the markets can be considered as reversing if you see it trading below 7440, which is a strong support level for any downward move. So if it breaks 7440, go short there. The next target at 7400 and 7380. So possibly below any move below 7380 definitely will take it towards 7340 and 7300. So mark my words, if it drops below 7340, it will head towards 7300, and I don't think that it is going to break further below 7300 any point of time, because it is going to be 200 points of move, which is a big move for FTSE100. Considering this, if it tries to drop, see another resistance at 7320 is also there, which is going to be a strong support. So I missed that. Yes, 7320, it is going to be a strong support. So if it tries to drop, it may get a strong support at 7320 levels. And yes, but still if you trade as per these levels, definitely you'll get almost 100 points of move. So take your positions accordingly. Now don't forget to shift your stop loss almost every time at cost, or try to book your profits. If you see it reaching first target, book profit in when it drops, re-enter, or else wait till the next support level and then re-enter. Else, if it is unidirectional, try to drop farther or try to drop or rise. Put your stop loss at this target or this level, let it come back, close it here and re-enter again. So take or trade accordingly and make profit next week. Now let's have a look at Germany 40. Look at the Germany 40's daily chart. Let me turn off the indicators here first and then let me show you something. See, it is trying to consolidate in this zone. 14600 definitely a stronger resistance. We have seen couple of candles trying to go past it, and now 14200 is stronger support. So possibly it is trying to give you a sideways move between these levels, and any breakout out of this box will lead to a sharper green candle which might take it towards 14800, 15000 levels. Can or even 15000 can be expected there. So yes, if it breaks out of this zone, definitely it might try to lead towards a stronger bullish candle. Now look at this, it was upward, so it was trading in a bullish channel, now trying to trade sideways. Possibly these 400 points are little bit cautious. We have to be little bit cautious in this 400 points of move. Now look at this, the nearest support at 14200. With this as support, couple of green candles, this can be considered a retracement because previous was the first red candle. So if it breaks below 14200, it is going to give you another red candle which might take it towards 14000, and then the series of red candles will follow, taking it towards 13800, 13600 zone, because it has got its resistance intact at 14600. Breaking this, yes, it may rise strongly. So this is what we can observe here on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly charts out there. On the weekly charts, see higher highs. Now the highs are very much placed at 14600, and that is why I say breaking 14600. So this is a minor retracement candle. Breaking 14600, it is going to give you sharper green candle. Look at the previous candle, almost from 13600 to 14500, 900 points of move, and this time if it breaks 14600, you will get another. So if it breaks 14600, you will get another almost 600 points which might take it towards this zone 15200 levels possibly. So breaking 14600, just go long on Germany 40. At the same time, if you see it trading below this, coming towards here 14300, breaking 14300, yes, or rather I will say 14200, that is what we have seen on the daily charts. 14200 is the level below which it is going to break sharply. So almost these 400 points of move. What we need to do, let's have a look. Now coming back to the monthly candle out there. So on the monthly charts, the highs are at around 15200. See, almost all the other indices have seen a high on the monthly candle, and possibly it may try to also hit this high of this channel at around 15200, 15100 zone before looking forward to a break. Else right now the strong resistance at 14200 is very much in place. Breaking this, it may try to give you a red candle only which might take it towards 13800, 13500 levels. So take your positions accordingly. But now let's have a look with the help of indicators, what the indicators are suggesting here, because we have to couple our observation with the help of indicators also. Now look at this. This is the 20 period simple moving average and exponential moving average, 50 period simple and exponential, and 100 period simple and exponential. So in near term, Germany 40 is bullish above the 20 period moving average. Now this zone at 14600, this is also a resistance zone. This is also a simple moving and exponential moving average. These levels are providing it a little resistance for any upside move. Now if it breaks this zone, the next destination is very much clear at around 15100, 15150 zone, which it may try to hit. So yes, it confirms our observation. At the same time, breaking 14200, this is the support zone at 13800, which it might to close below. If it has to confirm that there is bearishness in the market, then and then only. Also look at this. Now see, the stochastic was overbought. It has almost come down to normal levels, and probably it may try to in fact get into the oversold zone and then start the bullish run. The MACD is almost running parallel and convergent, rather I will say. So yes, it is in buy zone, but it is still trading with a minimal divergence and not any convergence also. Yes, this is indicating that minor bullishness is very much there. And look at this, the RSI is not indicating of anything. So considering this, let's decide the strategy for next week and how to make money and how to make profit from trading for Germany 40 next week. So let's talk about where to go long first. So if you see it trading above 14,520. Take a long entry there. The nearest resistance at 14,610, and if it breaks 14,610, then the target is high. It will directly lend to 14,800, 15,000, 15,080, and 15,155. It can try to hit this zone, and probably beyond that sky is the limit. So breaking this zone at 14,610, yes, it is a confirmation beyond which one can remain long on Germany 40, and definitely one can expect that it is going to give you sharper bullish movement there. On the flip side, see, till 14,610 it can reverse any point of time. Do keep that in mind also. On the flip side, where to go short? If you see it trading below 14, I will say, see here 14,200 is definitely a support. So below 14,200, if you see it dropping below 14,200 and sustaining this, one can go short. The target is towards 13,950, 13,800. So it will directly lend to 13,800, and below that 13,700 will come into picture, and then 13,550 should get achieved. So yes, below 14,200 I will be definitely bearish on Germany 40, and then you can expect a strong break on the downside, bringing it towards 13,800 at least in this month itself. That is for next 4 trading sessions, we might see it coming to 13,800. Else on the upside, if you see it trading above 14,600 in next 4 sessions, probably it may try to hit 15,100 levels before looking forward to a rise any further. It may try to hit 15,000 plus levels. So trade accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Don't trade without a stop loss. And yes, this is all from my side, FTSE100 Germany 40. And if you want to achieve the same expertise, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch starting on 4th of April, and also be part of my premium membership group, where with the help of trading signals you can just make profit and trade smoothly throughout the month. Be the part of this premium membership group. So reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My email and telegram ID are mentioned in the description. And thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.